Hi guys! Welcome to the Two Butts with NCJet, and today we'll have an episode wherein I will be interviewing our Deputy National Chairperson for JCI Asia Pacific Conference, who is living here in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Okay, so
hi guys,
you can introduce yourself.
Yeah. Thank you for appointing me to be your Deputy National Chair for Asia Pacific 2025. And guys, I can tell you, June 12 to 15 is just a short time to love Mongolia. For you to experience, come, join us for this Asia Pacific Conference. I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's worth the time, it's worth the experience. Iba to.
Ready na ba kayo? Gawin na natin ngayon. Una tayo.
Cheers. Guys, you love this taste this. When you come, marami tayong maiinom sa ganito.
Kaltenberg beer.
To.
Draft beer. So, first question to you, DNC. Can you introduce yourself to them? Ano-ano yung ginawa mo dito sa Ulaanbaatar? And saan ka nag-stay dito?
I am from JCI Cebu Mactan Channel, 2022 local president. I first came in Mongolia in 2008. After then, I'm still here. That alone, maganda dito. I came back, this is my second home, and I can assure you, you will feel at home when you come here. You're with me, dito si NC, the team will be taking care of you. Iba ang experience, iba ang JCI 2025 Asia Pacific, iba kami mag-alaga.
Yun! So, anong work mo dito, DNC, and bakit napamahal ka sa bansang ito?
Okay. Nagsimula ako dito 2008 working with international NGO as a volunteer, working in the medical and academic field. When it was offered to me, di ko nga alam where's Mongolia? So now, for us also to know, maybe some of us here don't know where Mongolia is. Maganda yun, malalaman natin. Mongolia is an exotic country. There are a lot of things to offer. Yung lamig, wala yun. Pag summer, you'll love it. You love the people. Mas magugustuhan nyo ano makikita nyo.
Yun! So, narinig nyo yun, di ba? Exotic daw. So, if you want to see exotic things, let's do this here. So, next question, DNC. Ano yung favorite places na gusto mo dito sa Ulaanbaatar?
The people itself. It's not the place. It's the whole.
Alam nyo ba guys, trivia, he founded two of the Filipino community here in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia.
This experience, it led me to JCI. Service to community. We offer what we get. So, giving back to the community. Kasi, kaya tayo nandito We give, we support kung anong kailangan. I was not alone when I founded the organization. I was with other Filipinos who are also concerned with their co-Filipino. We bring what's best for our country.
So, palakpakan naman natin yun, guys. Thank you for your service. You know what? That is really the meaning of life. The true essence and purpose of life is to really be of service. Not just in our own country, but also alamin natin dito mismo sa Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, where DNC Rene is here. He's also continuing his service to humanity. Salute sa mga ginagawa mo. Kaya pagpatuloy lang yan.
I represent as one. Not as a single Filipino, but 104 million Filipinos.
Yeah.
GCI helps a lot. And with that experiences, we're proud to say, iba ang Pinoy.
That's correct. Next question, DNC. Ito medyo light na konti. Yung mga favorite food mo and drinks na
yung Mongolia
binibigay nila?
Tastes. Mahal sa atin yung lamb. Dito, they have the abundance of meat. Maganda yun, yung texture masarap. Malalaman nyo yun pagpunta nyo dito. Because we will give the best food na kailangan mong matikman. Pag natikman mo, uulit-ulitin mo, iba ang lasa.
And that ends our Two Butts for today. Later, we'll preview another episode. So, kita-kita tayo muli dito sa Two Butts with NCJet and DNC Rene. Let's go!
See ya.